Hey guys, welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm Lewis.
And I'm Anna. Super happy you're here with us today.
So, Anna, before we start, I have to be honest with everyone. I almost didn't make it here on time this morning.
Again?
Again?
Luis, this is like the third time this month.
Okay, but in my defense, my alarm did go off.
And?
And I turned it off. And then I went back to sleep.
That is not a defense. That is the problem.
Okay, fine. But hey, that actually leads perfectly into today's topic, so it all worked out.
It always works out for you somehow. I don't understand how.
Talent, Anna. Pure talent. Okay, so today we are talking about morning routines.
Yes, and this is such a good topic because literally everyone has a morning routine, even if your routine is just chaos.
Which is valid. Chaos is a routine.
It is not a routine, Luis.
It happens every morning. That makes it a routine.
Okay, you know what? We're going to get into this because Luis and I have very, very different mornings.
Very different. Like completely opposite.
So if you're learning English and you want to hear real conversation, not textbook stuff, not perfect grammar robot talk, you are in the right place. This is real. This is us. And it gets a little chaotic.
Mostly me. I'm the chaotic one.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so Anna, let's start with you. What does your morning actually look like? Like, walk me through it.
Okay, so I wake up at 6.
6 in the morning. 6 a.m.
Yes, Luis, 6 a.m. That is when the morning is.
Okay, I just want the listeners to understand. 6 a.m. is extremely early, and I respect it. But I also think it's a little intense.
It's not intense. It's just organized.
Sure, okay. 6 a.m. And then what?
And then I don't hit snooze.
You don't hit snooze.
Never.
Not once.
Not once. When the alarm goes off, I get up.
Anna, I want you to know that I think that is genuinely impressive and also deeply unrelatable to me.
I know. I know it is.
Like my brain at 6 a.m. is just no. The alarm goes off and my hand just automatically hits snooze. I don't even think about it. My body just does it.
How many times do you hit snooze?
That's not important.
Luis.
A few times.
How many is a few?
Between 3 and 7.
3 and 7?
Depending on the day.
So your alarm goes off and you hit snooze up to 7 times before you actually get up?
When you say it like that, it sounds bad.
Because it is bad.
Or, hear me out, maybe I just need more time to transition from sleeping to being awake. Maybe I'm just very in tune with my body.
You are not in tune with your body. You're just lazy in the morning.
I prefer the phrase slow starter.
Okay, slow starter. What time do you actually wake up?
It depends.
Give me a number.
Like 8? Sometimes 8:30.
And what time do you have to be somewhere?
9.
So you wake up at 8:30 when you have to be somewhere at 9.
I'm very fast when I need to be.
You are always running late, Luis.
I am always almost on time. There's a difference.
There is not a difference.
Okay, let's keep going. So you wake up at 6, you don't hit snooze. What's next?
Okay, so then I drink a big glass of water.
Right away? Before coffee?
Before anything. Hydration first.
Wow. Okay. I have heard that this is healthy. I have never actually done it, but I've heard it.
It wakes up your body. It's really good for you.
And does it taste good at 6 a.m.?
It tastes like water, Luis.
Right. No, I get it. It's just, the first thing I want in the morning is not water. It's coffee. Strong coffee.
How strong?
Like, very strong. Like, if you can see through it, it's not strong enough.
That can't be good for your heart.
My heart is fine. My heart is very awake. It's the rest of me that's the problem.
Okay, so after my water, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
In that order?
Yes, in that order. Why?
I don't know. I feel like most people brush their teeth first. Or maybe at the end? I honestly don't know what the correct order is.
I brush my teeth after breakfast, so the toothpaste doesn't mess up the taste of the food.
Oh, that's actually smart. Okay. See, I learn something from you every episode.
Every episode you act surprised.
Because every episode, I am surprised. Okay, so, wash face, brush teeth, and do you eat breakfast?
Always. I never skip breakfast.
Okay, and what do you eat?
It depends. Sometimes oatmeal, sometimes eggs, sometimes just fruit and yogurt. But always something.
And you have time to make all of this?
Yes, because I wake up at 6.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I see the system now. I understand the 6 a.m.
It's all connected, Luwis.
It really is. So, okay, I have to be honest about my morning, because it is very different.
Please, tell the people.
Okay, so, the alarm goes off multiple times. Eventually, I actually wake up, and the first thing I do
Is check your phone.
is check my... Wait, how did you know that?
Because I know you.
Okay, but that's normal. A lot of people check their phone in the morning.
How long do you spend on your phone before you get up?
A little while.
How long, Luwis?
Like, maybe 20 minutes? Sometimes 30?
So you hit snooze 7 times. And then when you actually wake up, you spend 30 minutes on your phone before you even get out of bed?
I'm catching up on things.
What things? What is happening at 8 a.m. that you need to catch up on?
You'd be surprised. A lot happens overnight.
Like what?
Okay, I'm mostly watching videos.
I knew it.
Just a few videos. Short ones. To wake my brain up.
Your brain is not a television, Luwis. You don't turn it on by watching videos.
I disagree. I feel like that is exactly how my brain works.
Okay. And then after your 30 minutes of videos?
Then I get up. I brush my teeth. I splash water on my face. I get dressed really fast.
Do you eat breakfast?
Define breakfast.
Food. In the morning. Before you leave.
Sometimes I grab something,
Like what?
like a granola bar. Or sometimes I just get coffee on the way.
So coffee is your breakfast.
Coffee is a meal. It has liquid in it.
That is not how nutrition works.
I feel fine.
You are always tired by 11 a.m.
That's just how mornings are.
It's not. That's the thing. When I eat a real breakfast, I have energy all morning. I'm not tired until like 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
Okay, but 2 to 3 p.m. That's the normal tired time. Everyone gets tired then.
Yes, but you get tired at 11.
I get a little tired at 11.
You told me last week that you fell asleep at your desk at 11:15
I was resting my eyes.
for 20 minutes.
It was a very intense rest.
Luwis.
Okay, fine. Maybe my morning routine needs some work. I'm aware.
Some work. Just a little.
But here's the thing, though, and I want to say this for everyone listening. I don't think everyone needs a 6 a.m. routine. Like, some people are just not morning people, and that's real.
That's true. Not everyone needs to wake up at 6. But there's a big difference between not being a morning person and waking up at 8:30 when you have to be at work at 9.
That is fair. That is a fair point.
Thank you.
But I want to ask you something. Does your routine ever go wrong? Like, does it ever just fall apart?
Sometimes.
Tell me. Give me one time it went wrong.
Okay, so one time, this was a few months ago. I woke up at 6, like normal. I did everything. And then right before I left the house, I realized I couldn't find my keys.
Oh no.
And I looked everywhere. I was getting more and more stressed because I'm very time sensitive, right? And I spent like 15 minutes looking for my keys.
And where were they?
In my coat pocket. The coat I was wearing.
No.
Yes,
They were on you the whole time?
the whole time. I was literally holding my coat and checking pockets, and somehow I missed them like 3 times before I finally found them.
Okay, so even organized Anna has chaotic moments.
One chaotic moment. Once in a while.
It counts. it counts.
It does not represent my whole routine.
I'm just saying, chaos finds everyone eventually.
And yet somehow it finds you every single morning.
I have a special relationship with chaos. It's personal between us.
You're impossible.
And yet here I am, talking to you. Almost on time.
Almost.
Almost is the best I've got, Anna. I'm working with what I have.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the vocabulary we use today. Because there's actually a lot of really useful stuff in here.
Yeah, there really is. Like, we said hit snooze a lot. And that just means you press the snooze button on your alarm to get a few more minutes of sleep.
And the snooze button is the button that pauses your alarm, and then it goes off again after a few minutes. Usually like 5 or 9 minutes, depending on your phone.
So if your alarm goes off and you're not ready to get up, you hit snooze. And then it rings again. And you hit snooze again. Like I do. 7 times.
We also said, skip breakfast. And that means you don't eat breakfast. You miss it. You go past it.
Like when you're running late and you just leave without eating. That's skipping breakfast.
Which Luwis does every day.
Not every day, just most days.
We also used run late and rush. So run late means you're not on time. You're behind schedule.
And rush means you're moving very fast because you don't have much time. Like, I rush every morning. I'm rushing to get dressed, rushing to get out the door, rushing to get coffee.
Rushing, but somehow still arriving late.
The rushing doesn't always work, that's true.
And we used get ready, which is a really common phrase. It means the whole process of preparing yourself in the morning. Washing, getting dressed, brushing teeth, everything together.
Are you ready? I'm getting ready. Super common. You'll hear this all the time.
And wake up, of course, which is when you stop sleeping and become conscious, aware.
Although sometimes I wake up and I'm still not fully conscious for like another hour. I'm awake, but I'm not really awake.
That's because you don't have a real routine.
Or because I'm just built differently.
You're built chaotically.
I prefer creatively flexible.
That's not a thing.
I'm making it a thing.
Okay, I want to ask you something genuinely, though. Do you want to change your morning routine? Like, do you ever think, okay, I should probably do this better?
Honestly? Yes. Sometimes. Like when I'm running to the bus and I haven't eaten and I haven't had real coffee yet and I'm half awake. Yeah, in those moments I think, okay, Anna might be onto something.
I'm always onto something.
The 6 a.m. still sounds really hard, though.
You don't have to wake up at 6. You just have to give yourself enough time. Like, if you need to leave at 9, wake up at 7:30. That gives you 90 minutes.
And what would I do with 90 minutes in the morning?
Eat breakfast. Have coffee slowly. Not rush. Maybe even enjoy the morning.
The morning. Enjoy it.
It's actually really nice when you're not panicking.
I can imagine. I've just never experienced it.
Maybe that's your challenge for this week.
Are you giving me homework?
I'm giving you a challenge. Just one morning. Wake up early enough that you don't have to rush. That's all.
And if I do it, I report back?
You report back. Next episode.
Okay. I'll try. I make no promises, but I'll try.
That's all I ask.
And actually, this is a great challenge for everyone listening, too. If your morning is chaotic, just try one morning. One morning where you give yourself a little more time. See how it feels.
And tell us. Seriously, if you try it, let us know in the comments. We want to hear. Are you a morning person? Or is your morning more like Luwis?
More like me, probably. I feel like there are a lot of us out there.
There are. And that's okay. But also, small changes really do make a difference.
I believe you. I do. I'm just also very attached to my snooze button.
We know, Luwis. Everyone knows now.
I have no secrets left. This podcast has exposed me completely.
It really has.
Okay, one last thing before we go. Remember when you said, I can't function without my phone in the morning?
I do remember saying that.
And I said that wasn't true.
You did say that.
And then I admitted, I spend 30 minutes watching videos in bed before I get up.
You did admit that.
So I just want to say, officially, you were right. I cannot function without my phone in the morning.
I know.
I don't know why I even argued.
You never know why you argue. It's part of your charm.
See, that's why we work well together.
It is. Okay, that's it for today's episode of Daily English Flow.
If you made it all the way here, thank you so much. Genuinely.
We hope you picked up some useful words and phrases today, and maybe had a laugh or two.
And if you're watching on YouTube, hit that like button. It really helps us out. And subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
We've got more real English conversations coming your way very soon.
And honestly, go eat some breakfast. For me. Since I didn't.
See you next time.
See you guys. Bye.